welcome to CodeRush Feature of the Week. So Mark, what do we got this week?
C for casting. C for casting. Typecasting, Rory.
Okay, yep.
And I'm going to show you how to do that. So here's a line of code. Sometimes we do this as C# or VB developers. We have something being passed in and we want to typecast it to something else. So I'm going to comment this out for a second here. I've already added type canvas, by the way, to my template, my list of template name variables. And if you want more information on that, check out the Use Type in Templates video. So type canvas is already there. And to show you that, to prove it to you, I'm going to type in VTC for a variable of type canvas. And there you can see it's declared it for me. Or
absolutely. Good
I
stuff.
can type in MTC to create a method that returns a type canvas. So type canvas is there. Now, if I want to generate this line of code down here, all I need to do is grab the variable I want to typecast and copy it to the clipboard. So I'm just here and I'm just hitting the copy key, Control Insert or Control C. If nothing is selected, CodeRush will select and copy the identifier at the clipboard. So again, I just hit Control C here and there CodeRush has selected it and copied it to the clipboard. Now that it's on the clipboard, I just move the caret inside the method. And now I'm going to type in C for typecast, and then the shortcut mnemonic for the type I want to typecast it to. So in this case, I want to typecast it to, here, let me just scroll here so you can see it. I want to typecast it to this type canvas thing that I've got here. And as I've already shown you, that mnemonic is TC. So I'll type in C for typecast and then TC and then hit the space bar. And then
you can see exactly what you had on the other line there.
Exactly. It suggests a variable of a good name, which I'll take. I just hit enter on it. It also puts in what was on the clipboard, sender. If I wanted something else like E or something, I could do that too, right? So I guess theoretically, I don't have to actually have anything on the clipboard. And then I just hit enter and I'm outside. I get outside there like that. So that's how I can enter that. And it works with all of the shortcut types that go to reference types. It doesn't work with value types because value types we can't do the as, but it does work with all the reference types that are out there. So for example, if I wanted to typecast, I've got sender on the clipboard still, right? If I wanted to write a similar line of code that cast it to a data table, I would just type in CDT like that, and there's the code. Very fast, very quick. So that is the C for casting template. And it
fantastic stuff.
It works with what's on the clipboard. Let's say, I want to show you one more thing, Rory. Let's say that we've got right here, we've got a variable of type object, just call it param right there. We've got that coming in here. Let's say we want to typecast this to this thing I'm down here. I've got virtual type. So I can't, but I don't have this already as a template name variable. I haven't used type on templates on this yet, and maybe I don't want to. Well, since I can't copy both things to the clipboard, what I can do is just copy this to the clipboard and come down and type in C for cast, and then the backslash for use what's on the clipboard, and then the space bar, and then there it gives me a good name, and then now I just type in param right here at the second point. Right, so it's not too hard, right, to get what you need there. And just to be clear, to show you what I did, instead of normally I would say copy this to the clipboard and then type in C plus whatever the mnemonic is for the type you want to typecast to. But if you don't have that on the clipboard, you can copy that type to the clipboard, type in C slash like that, and then now hit enter and then type in the variable name that you want to cast like that.
Fantastic. So this is casting. Okay, we're going to take a type that has either been entered into the use template in types or that we have on the clipboard, and we're going to type C followed by the backslash or indeed the mnemonic for the type, and get the full line spat out for us there, nice and clear, at which point we can override what's been written there manually, or we can accept what the default's been given to us, which will of course be something sensible in the first place.
Exactly. And the one thing that we want to stress is you want to copy either the variable that you want to use or the type to the clipboard before you use the template. You'll copy the type if you're just going to use the C slash like that. Okay. And you'll copy the variable if you already have that type as a mnemonic, if it's something we ship. So for example, data table is something we ship, it's just DT. So CDT gives me that. And that's it.
Sure. Fantastic, Mark. Well, thank you very much. We'll see you next week on CodeRush Feature of the Week. For more Feature of the Week videos, click one of the 2 video links on screen or select from our playlist. Download and learn more about CodeRush from the DevExpress website. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to receive all the latest CodeRush feature videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.